Ready to boost your WordPress site's engagement and brand visibility by seamlessly integrating your social media presence? First, let's explore the easiest method using a plugin. Navigate to your WordPress dashboard. Hover over Plugins in the left-hand menu and click Add New. In the search bar, type social media icons. You'll find many excellent options for today's tutorial. We'll consider a popular and user-friendly plugin. Look for one with good ratings and recent updates. Once you've chosen a plugin, click Install Now, and after it's installed, click Activate. Most plugins will then add a new menu item to your dashboard or a section within your customizer. Navigate to the plugin settings here. You'll see designated fields to input the URLs for your various social media profiles, your Facebook page, Twitter handle, Instagram, LinkedIn, and so on. Simply copy and paste your profile links into the corresponding fields. Now you need to decide where these icons will appear on your site. Many plugins offer a widget. Go to Appearance, then Widgets, and drag the social media icon widget to your desired sidebar or footer area. If your plugin provides a shortcode, you can paste that directly into any page, post, or widget area that supports shortcodes. This gives you more flexibility in placement. For a more advanced approach, you can manually add the icons using custom code, often through your themes functions file or custom theme builders. This method requires some familiarity with HTML and CSS, but offers ultimate control over the design and placement. When linking, always double-check that you're copying the correct, full URL of your social media profile, ensuring it leads directly to your page or profile. Best practice is to choose a style that complements your website's design and ensure the icons are easily visible and clickable for your visitors. By following these steps, you'll have your social media icons proudly displayed, making it effortless for visitors to connect with you across your online platforms and significantly enhancing your brand's reach.